Okay, let's solve last practice set of this chapter, that is practice set 30. In this we have to find square root of given numbers. Now for finding a square root, we have already seen that we have to solve, like we have to find out the factors using factorization method. So first let us find out factors of this number using prime factorization. So 625 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 500 125s are. Then 5 25s is 125. Then 5 5s is 25, and again 5 1s is 5. When 1 comes, we have to stop. So basically, since we are finding square root of 625, we will write this number in a square root, and also its factor will also come in square root. Now since it's a square root, so we will take pair of two numbers. So here there are 2 5 and here there are 2 5s. So out of 2 5s, 1 5 will come out of the square root. So out of this one pair, 1 5 will come out. When we are taking out the number from the square root, we won't be putting square root again. Neither we will put the index, index as 2. Okay, so out of these 2 5 1 5 we take out. Again from next pair of 5s we will take out 1 5 again. So 5 5s are 25. Therefore square root of 625 is 25. See, square root sign is only for the 625. Here we are not putting square root, neither we are putting your square. It's just the number because we have taken out from the square root. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Next 1225. So again 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. And again 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So therefore 1225. Now this factor also we will write in square root. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now again one pair of 5, out of that 1 5 will come out. From next pair 1 7 will come out. So therefore 5 7s are 35. We are not writing any square root. Once we are taking out from, like, 2 out of 2 5s, we are taking out 1 5 out. We are taking it out. So if we are bringing them out, we won't be putting a square root sign over here. Next 289, it's very easy. So it's for homework. So 4096. Now since it's an even number, we'll start with 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again from 2. 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now 256. We know that 256 is a square of 16. 256 is a square of 16. So directly we can write here 16, 16s are 16, 1s are. Okay. Now this is okay. Why? Because we are finding square root and we are not finding prime factors. So directly if we write 16, so that is okay. So now therefore again we will put this 4096 in a square root and their factors also in a square root. So 1 2 3 4 and 16 into 16. So now out of one pair 1 2 will come out, next pair another 2 will come out, and next pair of 16 1 16 will come out. So therefore 4 16s are 64. Coming on to fifth sum. Now it's not an even number, so we will check with 3 whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So yes, it's divisible by 3. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now 121 is a square of 11, so 11 11s are 11 1s are. Now 1 has come, so we will stop over here. So therefore, again their factors we will write in square root. Now one pair of 3, 1 3 will come out. Next pair of 11, 1 11 will come out. So therefore 1089, its square root is 33. Okay, so we are done with this chapter.